Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use iPhone check-in feature in 2026. So the iPhone check-in feature is a personal safety tool in the Messages app that automatically notifies a contact when you safely arrive at your destination. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Messages application. Then you want to simply go ahead and start a thread with the contact that you want to update. Let's just say this one right now. Then you want to simply go ahead and click on the plus icon next to the text field. And now you want to simply go ahead and click on check-in. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and click on send, and it is going to be sent to them. So it is as simple as that, and you can simply go ahead and set a specific amount of time if you need someone to check on you after a certain duration, and click on send, by the way. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.